friends, Running Kimono here. So we're talking curbside deals today, which means you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, cell phone, desktop computer, tablet, whatever, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, ordering this stuff through your phone, driving to the store and picking it up. And that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. Many of the items are a little bit cheaper and there's a bit more convenience to this. You could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It really helps me out and the channel as well, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. Now, alternatively, if you are a shopper that likes to be in store, you like the register rewards, which are those paper coupons, and you're just about old-fashioned couponing. I made a video yesterday that has 3 freebies, a lot of cheap items, just like a little cheap haul, and I think a lot of you really like this video. I will link it at the very end. Lots of great information in this video. Okay, so deal number 1, we're using our 7 back when we spend 20 on nice or complete brand item, which is the Walgreens brand products. This is of a one-time use, and it's pretty easy to get us to a $20 basket with this week's sales. So I know that a lot of us like to stock up on water, especially if you live like in Florida or there's a lot of like tornadoes. 5 cases at $3.99 for $19.95. And that's a very good price point. I think I was looking at water at Walmart a couple days ago and it was like $6.99 for the same amount. So, whoa. And then we're going to get 3 of these cookies for $1.29 a pop. So for $3.87. And why I went over the $20 mark is because you actually use a coupon code to save even more money for this. If you want to get toilet paper instead of these ice cookies or anything else, by all means, go for it. I just pick the ice cookies because I never include these cookies ever. So we have the code WAG10 to save an additional $2.38 off. You're going to put that for applied offers when you're checking out. Pretty easy to do. Looking at the overall basket, your subtotal is $23.86. After WAG10, you're still at that $21-ish mark or past $20. Free curbside pickup, no tax on food. Pay $21.44 with your debit card or credit card, and then you're getting back $7.23. Not a bad little offer to stock up on water, especially if you need it for your stockpile. Okay, so the next deal that we're going to look at with the same booster, so pick and choose wisely which offer you want to do. 7 back when you spend 20. For this one, we're going to grab a lot of the $1.99 toilet paper, so 6 of these for $11.94. If you're going to grab very bulky items, try and get to the store the same day that you put in your order because it takes up like half of the photo area where they store a lot of this stuff, just to be kind. We're also going to throw in 3 of these nice cinnamon squares. So it's an alternative cereal by Walgreens, $1.99. That's a killer price point. And then the final item we're going to grab is 3 for $2.79 of the storage bags. You might have to grab the larger ones because these quart ones, it's either going to give you the $7 back or it's not. The app was acting super goofy earlier today, so the larger ones it was working, and then this it was working, and then it wasn't working. So here it is, $22.69, saving $1.99. So you're basically getting 1 toilet paper for free. This is the advantageous aspect of a curbside pickup, those little coupon codes. Free tax, pay $21.51 with your debit card. And then you're getting back $7.66. It makes this deal very, just fantastic. And if you really just want to stock up on toilet paper, you can do that as well. I know that a lot of stores do not limit the amount of toilet paper you can buy. And those little 4-packs, very easy to store. Okay, the next deal that we have, we're spending $40 for this one. It's 7 back when you spend 40. So we're going to grab $40-ish of merchandise to make this happen. And it's pretty easy to do. So we got a very interesting $8 digital for this recently. So this is $34.99 for the Olay Super Serum, and this is the larger bottle. I think the smaller one is like $23.99. It's a very nice night cream if you've tried it, and definitely worth this deal. So here's the coupon. Hopefully you have the same one as I. I really want to buy one more of these because I really like this night cream, and if you have sensitive skin, it's also fantastic. And then we're going to grab 2 of the Garnier Fructis for $8, or you can grab whole blend. You pick. We have this digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. make sure you have this one and the $8 digital loaded. Showing you the chorus line here. $8, $3, and $2.70 coming off. And with the Garnier for curbside this week, you're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash when you buy two. So that's kind of a given. So that's quite fantastic. So looking at the overall basket, it is $42.99. $2.70 coming off, so you're still at that $40 mark for the spend 40 get back 7. Free curbside pickup. Ouch, look at the tax, and $11 coming off. With your debit card or credit card, pay $31.71, and then you're getting back $16.42 in Walgreens cash. What a deal. Okay, guys, deal number 4. For this one, we're going to be grabbing just a hodgepodge of products, including 2 of the Olay Elvive shampoos or conditioners, or a mix and match. We have this $3 coupon, and then there's also a coupon code to get an extra $3 off at checkout for this specific product, which is the code LP3. So there it is. Make sure to type that in. And then we're also going to grab 2 of the men's Axe body washes. They're on a buy one, get one 50% off. So that's $6.98 for the 2. And then we have a 6 off 2 digital coupon. Make sure you have that loaded. Some things are rather predictable. We're going to throw in 2 of the Garnier Fructis that's giving back $4 in Walgreens cash. We need to load our best friend, which is this digital coupon, a 3 off a 2. And if you look below the coupon in the app, it says $4 back when you buy 2 for the Garnier Fructis. So there it is in the fine print. $6 off, $3 off, LP3 for another $3 off, and then $3 off for the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo. Okay, so the basket was $23.98, $3 coming off with the promotion of LP3. Free curbside pickup, $12 in digitals coming off. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $2.36, go for it. And then you're going to get back your $4.23 in Walgreens cash for the Elvive. It just makes it a very cheap basket. Okay, so the final deal that we have is deal number 5. For this one, we're going to be grabbing one of these Playtex multi-packs. It's a 36-unit box, which is quite large, for $11.94. We have this really generous digital coupon, which is a $4.50 off of one of those boxes. We don't ever get deals on this, so that's why we're throwing it in. And then, of course, our best friend, 2 of these shampoos for $8. And then we have the 3 off 2 digital as well. Now, if you wanted to go with the whole blends, you can go for it. It's interchangeable between the whole blends or the Fructis. I unfortunately just used the whole blends on my card. So just to show you all the digital coupons coming off, and WAG 10 taking off an extra 75 cents. And $19.99, boom, WAG 10, free curbside pickup, $7.50 in digitals melting off. $12.22, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash for the Garnier. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $2.22 and then get back your $4, it's a smart use of some Walgreens cash in my book. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.